Hi guys, welcome to my channel Divination 777. So I'm going to do a quick general energy read for all of you. So I'm not on my desk as usual because I have been through a surgery. But since angels were telling me it's very important for some of you. You guys need to hear this message. So I'll go ahead with the general energy read that you guys need. So a lot of my upcoming videos will be like this till the time I recover from the surgery I had. So let's see what we have for you. Wow. So we have King of Wands, Six of Pentacles, Four of Pentacles, Ace of Pentacles, Three of Pentacles, lot of Pentacle energy. Oh, Pentacle. Okay. And the Moon in reverse. So I think what's going on for you right now, you guys, okay, there was someone, this could be a career, love situation, even a family situation. It is related to your finances. So either you were doing some project and you had started something of your own, and you thought that whoever you collaborated, basically you collaborated with someone, and that someone betrayed you. That person, it's like let me focus. This person, it's like sucked the energy out of you. The person you collaborated with just sucked the energy out of you. It's like you were doing all the work, and everyone, it's like people in the business, they're like two people. Both of them are getting the credit, but only one is doing the work. So like it's like, let's just say you guys started a project, and one person had to write some 50 pages, and the other had to write other 50 pages. But what was happening was that you guys were writing 90 pages, and that the person you were collaborating with was just writing the 10 pages. And when the result came out, it was like everyone appreciated and all, and the person who was just writing 10 pages kind of got more appreciation, which is kind of unfair. I don't say kind of, I agree, it is absolutely unfair. And so this was happening, and see, like, you are this person working hard and giving your light and putting your heart and mind to your work, whereas this person is just staying there, just okay, yeah, let her do all the hard work, and I'll just put a minute or so in that work, and it'll be, I'll also get the success. Basically, you were doing all the work, and this person was just sitting back, and then this person just enjoyed the fruits of your labor. So see, basically, you put in most of the work, and when the work was almost about to finish, this person just came in as like, oh yeah, I add this also, and they did, and enjoys this. Basically, this is your hard work, and the result, this person is like sitting on throne and enjoying let's just say, enjoying the fruits of your hard work. So, and you would be sitting there looking at this person like, biatch, I did that work, you just did nothing, next to nothing. You were just like, all show, I did the hard work, and you are taking it away. So maybe let's just take example. I love giving cake examples. So basically, what you made the cake, and when it's very when it's ready and it's pretty and beautiful, and this person just with the whatever cone you use just wrote the name on the cake, and everyone was like, oh, the cake is so beautiful. But people didn't see you making the cake. People saw that he or she, whoever you were collaborating with, was writing with the cone. So that this person got the credit, like, oh, how hard working and all that recognition, and you're just sitting in the background like, what? Yeah, I did the work. What is happening? This person, and that really hurt you. Like I said, this person, it's like this person has been an energy vampire in your finance, and this could be a person you're collaborating with. The person you're collaborating with could be just someone you decided to start up something with, or this actually I'm getting two energies, not just there are two energy vampires. The person who doesn't work and just shows that the person is working, and the other one and then just enjoys, and there is one more, basically, like, you have a lot of energy vampires, or to be really simple, snakes around you. Another energy vampire is like someone supporting this person. So when this person is sucking your energy, sucking the life out of you, when this person is taking the lamplight of your hard work, someone else in the background is supporting this person. Like, this person knows the truth about this person, that this person hasn't worked, that you have worked. This person knows that you have worked, and you are feeling hurt when this person gets recognition. Basically, it's like, to be honest, there would be like two snakes around you. There, one, the person you're collaborating with, sucking out and taking all the just grabbing the thing, recognition that they didn't work for, and it is happening, and that person is succeeding over and over again because there's someone in the background like supporting this person. This person knows what's going on, and they're supporting this person. Basically, someone close to you, very close to you. It could be a close friend or a family member or relative. They know what is happening with you, and they are supporting it. Basically, someone close to you is backstabbing you by supporting this person, knowing all what is happening. So actually, this is just a person, a selfish person. This person who knows what is happening to you is actually supporting it. So big, you have, like, let's just say, a backstabber in your surroundings, and you have, if this hasn't happened to you already, you might have recognized, this card tells me, you might have seen through this person. You have started seeing through this person. You have started seeing through this person, like, okay, this person is really not who I thought I was. This person doesn't have best of my interest. That's what I would say. So for those of you who have realized this, who are in this realization mode, I will give you guidance, what to, just guidance for you who have realized. Do when you realize there is a snake around you, the best advice I can give you, angels can give you, is you don't suddenly pull back your energy, or like, okay, just cut off. You just play smart, because it's a business thing. So now when you have started recognize who this person is. Basically, okay, this is popping out loud in my head. You guys, when you recognize this person, you will know how to handle it, because you're a business person. You're a business person, you are wise. When you recognize who this snake, this backstabber is, you will know what to do. And when you will know what to do, trust your wisdom and trust your inner call, and just follow that guidance, inner guidance, guidance that your experience tells you how to handle such situations. Use your experience. See, like, you have been through a lot in the past, and you kind of have dealt sorry uh, I want to say deal. Okay, you have dealt with it, but health is combining. So maybe maybe this thing is affecting a lot of your health physically as well. Like, you were obviously this caused anxiousness, this upset you, and it affected your health. So that is why I think my tongue was it was like, say health first. Okay, so this caused a lot of health issues, not just mentally. For some of you, I'm getting physically also. Like, you might have gotten some anxiety attacks, or maybe blood pressure issues, or some of you, I'm getting, not for all of you, but some of you even to an extent of stroke and getting admitted in the hospital because of this depression and annoying and frustration kind of state. So now you guys, when you are, so coming back to the dealing thing, when you recognize who this person is, you figure out. So in past, like I said, use your experience. So I said that because you have been in this kind of situation before, like you have been backstabbed, you have handled people before who have backstabbed you in a very amazing way. Because because people who backstab you, sometimes, especially when it's related to finances, you can't just confront them and start fighting with them. You have to handle it in a certain way in which it does not backfire or harm you. So that's what they're saying. Use your past experience, your wisdom. You will use your past experience and wisdom of this backstabbing kind of people you have dealt with. You will know, basically you will know what to do. See, I'm just going around in circles, repeating the same thing again and again, because that's how you're in your head right now. That's the energy I'm picking up. It's like the one thing is circling like around and around and around in your mind again and again. So I'll just wrap up with this one sentence. When you figure out, you will know what to do. Trust your experience, use that experience to handle the situation. And let me just get a few messages for you. Let's see what. Okay, like I said, get out of your head. Like I said, I am repeating the things over and over again, because that's how your head is thinking about the same thing over and over and over again. So see, that's get out of your head. Get out of your head. You have realized who this person is. Get out of your head and use your experience and wisdom to deal with this situation, with this backstabbing person and the person who is feeding on you. So just believe in yourself, use your experience, you can do it. All you need to do first is get out of your head. When you get out of your head, that's the first action you take. Then the second action you take is trusting yourself, your experience, and handling the situation. So this was an urgent energy, general energy read. So just keep in mind, it may not resonate with everyone since it was a general energy read. Subscribe to my channel, click on the notification bell, like my videos. It helps my videos to reach out to other people when you like it, for the people who need it. And if this resonated with you, comment down below. And if you guys want a personal reading, you can reach me through my mail. You can DM me on my Instagram. All the details will be given down below in the description box. I'm just wrapping up everything really fast because my painkiller is going to wear off soon. So I'm wrapping off fast. I'm just saying everything will be given in the description box down below. I love your support. Thank you so much. Stay safe, stay healthy, and be happy always. Love and light to all of you.